How to install Blender add-ons. First of all, open Blender and go to the top menu bar. Then click on Edit and from the drop-down, select Preferences. This will open the Preferences window where you can manage all your Blender settings. Next, in the Preferences window, click on the Add-ons tab on the left side. Here you will see a list of all installed add-ons as well as options to enable or disable them. Now, to install a new add-on, click on the drop-down button located at the top right corner of the add-ons section. Then, select Install from Disk. This opens a file browser window where you can navigate to the location of the add-on file, which is usually a .zip or .py file. After selecting the add-on file, click Install Add-on. Blender will then add the add-on to the list, but it will not be activated. You need to activate the add-on by finding it in the list. You can search for it by name in the search bar. Once you find it, enable the checkbox next to the add-on's name to activate it. Once enabled, you can close the Preferences window. The add-ons features will now be available in Blender, often accessible from the toolbar, menus, or a dedicated panel depending on the add-on. If you want to disable the add-on later, you can return to the Preferences window and uncheck the box to disable. Remember, some add-ons may require a restart of Blender for all features to work properly, so if something doesn't appear right away, try restarting the program. And that's it. Now you know how to install Blender add-ons. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.